It's not often that nurses and doctors get to see their patients again after being discharged from the hospital, but Bryan Health is changing that today with a reunion of NICU patients and their caretakers. 1011's Brandon Muting spoke with former patients and a nurse today and has more on this special occasion.
Madison, the last time Bryan Health hosted an event like this one, 10 years ago. It's all a part of the healthcare company's 100th birthday. One of the nurses telling me earlier today, this makes all their long nights and hard work worth it in the end. It's all smiles and giggles at Haymarket Park. But for these families, it hasn't always been that way. Megan Phipps knows what it's like to lean on a crew of NICU caretakers. Her daughter Reece was in the NICU for 144 days.
Ended up growing a bond with her primary nurses, and they are her godmothers to this day. But everybody is very surprised to see how successful she has been. She started pre-K. She's walking on her own.
Phipps had twins at just 22 weeks. Riley, Reece's sister, died from sepsis 12 days after they were born. This happened 5 years ago in the isolation of COVID. But Phipps says the staff was always supportive. For Sadie Delp, the reunion from Friday evening and seeing how much her former patients have grown makes her time as nurse manager well worth it.
We have families stay for days, weeks, and months at a time, so it's really cool to be able to come back, see how well the kids are doing, see how well they've grown, and just really re-interact with the families.
Bryan Health staff says more than 350 people registered for the event, giving them not only the chance to reconnect, but also to allow kids to enjoy face painting balloon animals and, of course, food. For Colton Cooper, his son Cash, born at just 34 weeks old, says families who think they are alone wants others to know there is always support coming from those who share a similar experience.
This is not always going to be a long-term thing. This is a short-term thing, and you're in an amazing fraternity that very seldom few people understand. I say soak it up and be thankful, because you definitely have a story to tell.
Reporting in Lincoln, Brandon Muting, 1011 News.